$1 per trade in the US market, or just 3 ringgit per trade in Bursa Malaysia. Quick and easy funding via online banking. Multi-currency account feature with the ability to hold 2 different currencies today and even more in the future. Fully licensed by Securities Commission Malaysia. Regulated and licensed across 6 other advanced nations. Multiple platforms with amazing UI UX for both investors and traders. If I'm in the shoes of the other stockbrokers today, I will be very worried right now. Ladies and gentlemen, I can't be more proud of what I'm about to introduce you, because what you're about to see today is the tipping point for the investment landscape in Malaysia, because Moomoo is now officially in Malaysia. So in this video, I will share with you everything you need to know about them. Who they are they safe and legit, what do they offer, how good are they, and whether or not you should start investing with them. And I'll put all the links to the sources down in the description for you to read further. But before that, as usual, full disclosure up front, this video is indeed sponsored by Moomoo, but rest assured, whatever's being presented are my own words and opinion only, and they will be watching this video the same time as you are. And as most of your existing subscribers already know, I take pride in my stockbroker reviews, so you will get my full, raw and detailed review. And thanks to them, you as the viewer of this channel will also be able to enjoy a guaranteed reward worth up to 100 ringgit when you sign up using my link down below and deposit just 500 ringgit. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is an instant 20% return for you to get your hands on all the US stocks and also ETFs. If you want even greater reward, you can even deposit a minimum of 8,000 ringgit. Just maintain your assets for 30 days to get a guaranteed 1 free Apple share worth about 900 ringgit as of the recording of this video. And that, my friend, is a lot of guaranteed free money. This campaign lasts until the 31st of March 2024, and it might change in the future depending on when you watch this video. But don't worry, I will keep you updated with the welcome rewards in the pinned comment down below. So in case you are new to the Moomoo brand, they are essentially a stock brokerage under the old-timer Futu Holdings Limited, which is a US-based company that is also publicly listed on the US Nasdaq exchange with a market cap of around $7 billion today. And this is very important, because just like interactive brokers, their parent company is highly regulated and are required to publish their company financials every 3 months. So this level of transparency will definitely give us an additional layer of comfort. In Malaysia, their entity Futu Malaysia Sdn Bhd is licensed under the Capital Market Services License (CMSL) by SC Malaysia, and this is actually a pretty huge thing, because they are among the first global digital brokerage firms that are granted such license to offer trading and also clearing services here. And another factor that differentiates them from other brokers is that their company has been very profitable for the past couple of years and have consistently grown their revenue and also their profits. So that's a huge plus point for their business sustainability. Why is that important, you ask? Well, being someone that has created content in this finance industry myself for many years already, I have seen countless of brokers come and go with aggressive marketing and then, just vanish into the thin air and then end up not servicing their customers properly. Think of names like eToro, Weibo, Tiger Brokers, and so many more. Where are they now? But not Moomoo. They have been very consistent in improving their technology, their app, and also, dare I say, improving their customer support. And matter of fact, data don't lie. You can look at their Google Play Store or the Apple App Store reviews and be the judge yourself. In my personal opinion, a good company is a company that keeps up with their marketing while continuing servicing their clients, because that to me is a sign of commitment to building their own brand, and they won't shy away from challenges or hiccups all along the way. And people say the proof is in the pudding, right? Well, feel free to look at my past videos covering them and see for yourself what the users have to say earlier. So Zed, what can I do with this app? Well, I'm recording this video on day 1 of their official launch, but I got good news for you. For new Malaysian users, you can now start trading in 2 financial markets right from the get-go: US stock market and Bursa Malaysia. and the financial products offered include the typical stocks and ETFs that we all know and love. But from my experience, they are bound to add more financial markets and also more products like their Singapore counterpart, and we can perhaps expect future releases, for example, money market funds, bonds, treasuries, options trading, and so many more, just like how they did in many other countries. The only caveat over here is that they will need a little bit of time to get all the necessary regulatory clearance from the local authority. As for now, if you are just starting out with your investments, trust me, you have got more than enough to explore for the time being. And for those of you craving for more advanced charting or just more seamless investing and trading experience, they got you covered with their desktop trading platform that can be downloaded for free as well. And this is borderline illegal because the features and tools provided are almost as good as other paid platforms like TradingView, if not better. And I've done a full tutorial covering this platform in detail before, so feel free to check it out at the top left hand corner over here. But fret not, I will release an updated version for you in the very near future. As for me, I honestly could not recommend more of their mobile app because it packs so much in such a compact form factor. You get a beautiful stock watch list that you can customize however you want it to look like, a full glance of the financial markets all over the world, an account stat that gives you a full suite of functions to track or manage your money and account, all sorts of financial product offerings for you to gain additional exposure, and even their very own Moo community that you can use to interact with other investors or even content creators like myself. And shameless quick plug over here, do follow me on Moo community because I do post periodic updates on the US market over there. And another part that I'm so excited to share with you is with regards to their funding options. With Moomoo now officially licensed and regulated in Malaysia, you can now easily and seamlessly fund your account with online bank transfer for a start, which should get your money deposited within 1 to 3 business days based on their guidelines. And since they already got the license over here, I believe they will be working hard on implementing Do It Now transfer as well. So when this is available down the road, your investing routine, or should I say our investing routine, can be easily done through a click of a button. And I can't express how excited I am for this feature to be rolled out. Moomoo, please, if you're watching this video, get this up as soon as possible. And gone are the days where getting your hand onto foreign currencies like US dollar require you to set up lots and lots of stuffs. OG, you would know, because today with just a few clicks of a button, you can now convert your Malaysian ringgit and hold US dollar within the Moomoo app itself. In other words, you can now also invest and hold your money in different currencies, allowing you further diversification for your entire asset portfolio. As for their currency conversion rate, which means how much are you losing when you convert your ringgit to US dollar, as per my personal testing on a weekday afternoon, their conversion loss compared to Google's conversion rate hovers around 0.4%, and this is actually a very low spread, even lower than Wise. There is always, of course, room for improvement because who doesn't want a product that keeps refining itself to the very best version compared to its competitors, right? One very important piece of feature not in place: fractional shares trading. Yes, which basically means you can invest in fractions of a share, like 0.5 shares or 0.1 shares, instead of having to buy an entire unit of share, because some US stocks, for example, can be quite expensive, like Nvidia standing close to $800 per share as of the recording of this video, and that's a hefty 3,800 ringgit per share at the very least, or almost 2 times the minimum wage in our country already. At the moment, I did notice that fractional shares trading is actually available for market order on certain popular stocks like Nvidia and Tesla, but let's hope this is being widely released to cover all stocks and for all order types. And next, if I may suggest, maybe Moomoo can extend their financial market coverage to the UK market, the United Kingdom. It's not the most popular or sexiest market today, but there is where a lot of us can gain access to the island domicile ETFs, which can really save us a lot of money in terms of withholding tax and other tax benefits. more importantly, dividend investors, you will love the UK market. So if I were to sum up Moomoo in a sentence, that would be the best stockbroker in Malaysia right now in terms of establishment, fees, product offerings, and user experience. Period. They will definitely roll out more and better features and products, so stay tuned to our channel by hitting the subscribe button down below. But in the meantime, do let me know down below how you like their current offerings in Malaysia and what else you think they can do better. Trust me, they are reading your comments. And of course, like I said earlier, don't miss out on the limited time campaign. These are all free money up for grabs. So with that said, I'm pretty sure there will be a lot of catching up to be done by their competitors because this raging bull is already leading the pack right from the get-go. It will only get better from here, and I'm excited for that.